is a big one.
Good afternoon and welcome back to Life's an Adventure. We are off to the Red Barn.
No.
Where?
Abbotsford.
Oh, is it in Abbotsford?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay, I stand corrected. We are off to Abbotsford. There is an RV show there that we're going to take a look at and check out and do some more of our research for. So, see what we can find for a truck camper. I'm getting more of an idea of what I'm looking for, but we want to get more of an idea, if that makes sense. So, anyway, if you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button, help support the channel. We're really growing and we're doing well, but for all those users out there, all those viewers that have watched the videos, you know who you are, that have not clicked the subscribe, you would really help us big time if you could click that and support us. All you have to do is click that button, hit like, and that's all you do. So please help support us. So we're gonna go take a look at this RV place, this RV show, and see what we can discover here. So again, thanks for joining, and let's go check it out. Okay folks, we are at the Tradex where the show is being held, and we're gonna go in and see what we can find. So thanks again for joining, and if you haven't already done so, please hit that subscribe button, help support the channel. And all you that haven't subscribed, you know who you are, hit that button. Here's our PCR RV. That's not one of those, what do you call it? Like that couple that has that? I can't remember what it's called. That's the word I was looking for, is Airstream.
Yeah, it's a small one. It's cute though.
I guess so. That's what we grew up with. Only it wasn't the that one's at the first. That was our second one. These are much fancier than what we grew up with. Wow. Yep. Wow. Does that ever bring back memories? Oh, that's the door. Okay. The door's hanging up there.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Oh, there's what that deck looks like.
Yes.
Uh-huh. That's quite the deck.
And up and around.
Sure.
Okay.
Oh, I don't need it, and that's why I give it to my.
Oh, this is kind of an odd setup. You got the bathroom right across from the kitchen. Oh, and you wouldn't like it. The bed, you have to crawl over each other. It's right at the back. It's got a tub in it though. Yeah, no. Yeah, I don't care for that one at all. Okay, so the storage is underneath where the bed is.
Oh, I did see that.
One roll. The axles are actually placed to the floor, so it changes. You're getting your optimum balance point. So because it's called bridge loading is what you're axing. So you're measuring from your center point of your trailer to the center point of your vehicle, and you want that. There's one with the certainly perfect. But that's fine. Definitely within it. There's a single those are ones where the axle will kind of balance.
And it's nice right here. You walk. I like that.
Now you're at 7,000 pounds. Nice. You're right around where you go.
Okay, so you have to pull the bed down. It's a Murphy bed.
Hey, you want to go pick me up?
For a small trailer, it's got a big size fridge, doesn't it?
Nice shower.
Hmm.
Sorry.
It's all good.
Oh, okay. See, this is
Murphy
the
bed again.
Murphy bed.
There's a
But-
match for kids.
There's a lot more room in this one, isn't there?
Yeah, because it's the Murphy bed.
Yeah, but there's some other ones with Murphy beds that isn't quite as big as this. This is.
This is wider.
Yeah, the other one over here is the same way. It's
There's a push out. Yeah.
yeah.
Still spend this much money.
right there. Oh, it's got a stove in it. And bunks.
Do you guys need any help at all?
Just browsing at the moment.
Browsing.
Alrighty.
When I get to
No,
when we get to the campers, I may have questions.
no worries. Anyone wearing one of these, we'll be able to help you. Alrighty?
Sounds good.
Of course.
Thank you.
Hi, Ron. How you doing, Miranda? Good, thanks. How are you?
Oh, that's a Forest River.
Awesome. Well, yeah, I can get the ball rolling here on the financing. I see I have your name and Joanne.
Where's the wife? She's doing one of those again.
She likes those. If you were ever get one down the road. But we probably travel. Where's the show? Back here.
There's your adapter or surge protector.
Well, let's look down this one. Yep. We're gonna go down this one.
Go down and then come back up.
Sure.
That's a small one. I like this idea with the 2 doors.
Yeah. Oh, and it's got bunks. Wow. Nothing like taking up the room. Oh, this is a mobile.
Outdoors, backyard.
TV outside. Wow.
Really neat to haul toys. I just use that as a cutting.
Oh, there's one with the deck on the back. Or, no, it's not. It's a tow hauler.
Oh, too heavy.
Huh.
So heavy. But this is perfect. You get your own little.
This one's not quite, it's got bunks, so that's not quite the right size.
Oh, wow. Wow.
Good, are you?
I'm good, thanks.
Good. Doing?
We're just looking at all of them.
Oh, hello.
How's it going?
How's it good? How's it going with you?
Good, good, good.
Good.
Does it have an oven now?
Nope. Just 2-burner stove.
Okay.
And it just seems like an afterthought. Wow. Wow. No. Okay. This one actually has an oven in it.
Oh, that's good.
And the fridge is not a bad sized fridge. Yeah, not too bad.
Cool.
Couldn't put a 4-liter in it though.
They said that if you want, you could take out the recliners and put in a table and 2 benches.
Mm-hmm.
So
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that, because
And someone was like, what were they on when they came up with this idea?
yeah, exactly.
That one there at the end, if you guys haven't gone through it,
Yeah.
just for fun,
Yeah.
have a look. It's the only one in Canada. It's a
Okay.
brand new company.
Okay.
They've done some things differently. If you notice, there's no air conditioning units, anything on the top of the unit whatsoever. Everything's inside. It
Okay.
gives you a taller ceiling.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a pretty neat little unit actually.
Cool.
It's
That
just
must be
fun
why
to-
there's so many people in there.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's
Yeah,
really,
well-
really unique,
well-
really cool, and it's the only one of its kind right now out here in Canada, so it's kind of cool.
Yeah,
Are
well-
you guys in the market for a unit or something like that, or?
Looking for a camper is what I'm looking for my truck, but we're also looking for a trailer for down the road for possibly living in.
Okay,
Yeah. So we're
Are
just
you-
getting ideas and thoughts, you know.
for sure. Oh yeah, take your time. So you're looking for a camper that goes on what kind of a truck?
2500 Dodge Ram.
Okay, and you're looking for, do you have a brand in specific in mind or anything like that?
Not really. No, it's got to have a washroom. Not worried about a shower. I'm looking for something that's going to be 4 seasons, so we can travel all throughout the time period of the years, and
Yep.
no matter where we go, it's comfortable and it has the room. Yeah.
So look at the Northern Light, because you know they are probably the Rolls Royce of all the campers out there. Like
So
they're quite
Northern
nice.
Light, are they better than the Arctic Fox, or which is the better?
Northern Light is better than Arctic Fox. Arctic Fox is great.
Why
We
is
carry
the
the
Northern
Arctic
Light the
Fox.
better?
It's just the way it's designed. It's a full design. It's a full sealed shell. It will never leak. That's one thing. The way they're designed and built, there's nothing like them. They're
Okay.
amazing. Like there's almost like a wait list for them, if you will. Like they're such a nice unit.
Yeah.
Like you'll see some of these other, and I'm not going to knock any of other brands out there,
Yeah.
but you can do your research and you can find that a lot of times when you walk in, they're a very narrow walkway.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just not well thought out, and a lot of things.
Yeah.
Arctic, the Northern Lights, they're wider,
Yeah.
more spacious, LED lighting, bigger battery system in there, more creature comforts. It's just they're designed to last. And when you want to resell it,
Yeah.
I mean, by the time you hit the send button to post it, it's already been asked to be sold.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like they
Yeah.
do not last. People
Yeah.
buy them quickly.
Yeah.
So pre-owned ones, and they're hard
Yeah.
to find.
Yeah.
So,
They're
yeah.
scooped up fast. in
They
other
are,
words,
yeah. So they're a nice unit, and there's a number of them on the back corner there. Take a look
Yeah.
at those.
Okay.
Trailer-wise, you're looking for a fifth wheel, or are you looking for a travel trailer?
Travel, but to be able to park it. I want to be able to pull it with my 2500 if we need to, because, well, you know, evacuations, what have you.
Yeah.
But yeah, something that we can live in.
And how big are you wanting to be? Bigger than 25 feet, I imagine.
Yeah.
Okay,
Comfortable.
yeah.
You know, it's not. Don't want to be like sitting on top of each other. In other
No,
words,
you want some
right?
room, yeah.
Yeah, some room. Yeah.
Okay, I'll give you guys my card. Yeah, have a look at these different units that are out here. I'm Brett, by the way.
Perfect. I'm Teresa.
Teresa,
Yeah.
nice, and
Jim,
Jim, nice to meet you. Yeah, for
for
sure.
sure too.
When is this venture kind of taking place? Was it the show that you were going to take advantage of, or were you kind of getting the
No,
ideas
we're
and then want to do it
still
later?
still kind of looking down the road.
Doing
Yeah.
research.
Yeah.
For sure,
Yeah.
for sure. Yeah, the
Yeah.
floor plan and stuff like that is really important, right? To make sure you find what you're looking
That's
for.
the biggest thing, especially in a camper for a truck.
Yeah.
It's a really big thing.
Well,
so
come
that
with
we,
me for 2 seconds. I'll just point to the direction, then you guys can kind of just take
Oh, is
your
this
time
one of the
and
Northern
go
Lights here?
through it. Yeah, we've got a few of them.
Okay.
So it depends if you have a short box or a long box.
I have a short box. It's a 6 foot.
Okay, so then you need to.
I'm looking at a maximum that we're looking for is about 2,000 pounds.
So you want the 8. So can you give me 10 seconds? Yeah, go ahead.
I think the bed's
Nope. Yes, it is.
Oh, I love the wood. Bathrooms. Nice.
Actually, this is quite nice.
It is pretty nice. Oh,
And look at that. You got a step to get up.
oven.
Oh. That's a good
Good little
size deep
freezer.
freeze.
Yeah. Good size fridge. I can get milk in there.
Nice. Paper towel
Does it-
roll, spices.
Yep. Does it have?
Oh. USBs.
Does it have any plugs up there though?
I don't know. You want to take that for a minute, please?
Yes, no?
Nope.
No. Of course not. Oh, wait, maybe on the side?
That's Vince.
Okay.
Yeah, that's Vince.
Okay.
Nope, there's no power there. No.
Skylight?
Yeah, skylight here.
Nice.
And hey, I got in the part here without bumping my head this time.
Yep. Yeah, you did.
Which is a plus because I remember I did that with that other one.
Yeah.
And yeah.
Oh, and it has a microwave.
Oh, and it's secured too.
Yeah.
See the secures here?
Yeah.
Nice.
Got a place for a towel rack and paper towels. I like the cover for the sink.
So you got plugs right there. That's
Yeah.
all.
Is that it?
That's it. Why are they? Is that a thing with Northern Light?
That they're that cheap? with
Because there's
plugs?
nothing over here at all. There's just that one. No, that's just the one then.
No. No, wait. Now there's plugs down there.
Oh, USBs. Okay.
Yeah. Plugs underneath.
Good catch.
Yep. And there's even storage underneath there. Okay. Cool.
Not a whole lot.
But some. This is a pretty good big area.
And that's a wet room.
Yep.
Is that a medicine cabinet?
I don't think so.
Nope. I was just curious. That's not a bad setup. But it doesn't have any plugs over by the bed.
Just the ones under the table and then the ones on the side.
Yep.
That's crazy. Yeah. It's got solar though. It's got solar.
So the Northern Light is apparently a better deal than the Arctic Fox, they say.
What did you think?
Nice. I mean, it doesn't have very many plugs in it.
No. Up in the bedroom there, to put your phone on, there's no plugs up there.
So you would have to leave your phone down at the counter there to.
Well, this would
plug
be
it.
the one that would be for your truck anyway.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. It's just all across at once here. Wow, got all of a sudden very busy when we're trying to.
Oh, I know. It's just, yeah. It comes in
So this one would be more for my truck, would it?
yeah, the other ones are going to be bigger for the 8-foot box.
Okay.
What year is your truck?
203. 2003. That slides. Okay, so it's got a washroom.
It's cute.
And a wet room. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, it's important to go through, like you said, go through it, take a look at all the different features, and then when you walk into the other brands, you'll see automatically right off the bat, you'll see the different little nuances, right? So,
Honestly, I don't see much of a difference from that one to this one.
sorry?
I don't see a difference from that one to this one.
The color's different. in
Yeah, but
this one.
what I mean is
Yeah.
the lengthwise in
Yeah.
feel in here, it feels the same as that one did.
Utilizable, big time utilizable space, eh?
Yeah.
It's quite crazy.
And you're able to get up there no problem.
Yeah.
I tried one over on O'Connor, and I went to get up there to see if there's any power by the the bed, and I bumped my head on the coming into the bedroom. And the last one there, I didn't do that.
Yeah.
I don't know. What do you think of this?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, they're very nice. But yeah, peruse around, have a look, have some fun, and come and see me if you have any other questions.
Okay, thank you.
All right, you bet. Take care.
Yeah, but even still,
You don't like it?
it's okay. I think you'd have to, like,
So
use
just so
this
you guys
for a
are
step
aware,
to go on
we
it.
talked about no plugins for your phones and stuff like that. In the lights,
Yeah.
there's USB plugins in the lights
Oh,
themselves.
okay.
I did check on the other one there, but I didn't
So-
see any.
Yeah, there's USB plugins if you
Okay.
look on the lights themselves.
Take a
there,
look.
Okay.
there's
Take that.
showing that there's USB plugins.
Oh, okay.
So
Okay.
Oh, no, not those. Yeah, those hanging down lights, yeah. They're right in here.
Is that it there, I wonder?
It's right here.
Oh, at the top? Should be on the.
I know the heck I am. This is my expert here for these campers.
Oh, okay.
I'm not big time in the campers, but
Not really.
what?
There's a different way.
You gotta do like that, man.
Easy enough.
Oh, they got that.
Cheap ass cameras. No, it's just not around hole.
So there is none.
No.
Except
Then
for
you'd
there
have to
and
run
under here.
Yeah, there and there.
Just a
okay.
plug, yeah, right in.
Yeah.
They recommend not having your phone beside your head at night anyway.
Well, it's not a matter of having it beside the head, but I mean,
Just a place to charge, right?
right,
Like if-
because I
like
got
if
batteries I
you're-
charge.
if
I do
you're
my YouTube channel.
cooking,
This is what I'm doing now.
Yeah.
And it's just a matter of having connections to be able to charge the batteries.
Right.
Like if you were doing like dinner or whatever, and all of a sudden, oh hey, the phone's dead, and we're gonna go for a walk and want to take pictures afterwards.
Yeah.
And you want to charge it, right?
Yeah.
So,
No, I hear you.
or like like if you have like the
No.
Parade here, and just where
There
else
used to
would
be
you put
USBs
stuff?
in those. In all of
Any
them.
plugs up in there?
No.
Nope.
In the drawers
No.
like that?
Nope, that's what I checked.
Yeah, there's
Just
none
right
of
here.
that.
This is
Yeah.
your USB
Just
charging
here,
station
yeah.
there.
And then the other one had ones underneath it here.
Yep.
What
my-
you could do is, like I said, the only thing you could do is you get like one of those
Like a
little
bar.
slim bars.
Yeah.
Just plug it in that way you can plug all your units
Yeah.
into. Like if you said you got 2 or 3 or
Yeah.
4 batteries, you're gonna need to do that anyways.
Yeah.
So that's kind of
that
a good
would
idea, right?
probably work. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
you have options. It's just
Yeah, because there's plugs in that cabinet under that TV as well.
oh yeah, you can throw your batteries inside there because there's a plug-in inside there. So there you go,
Oh yeah, there is one in there.
kind of out of the
Because
way,
TV,
and,
right?
you know,
Okay.
charge all your stuff.
Yep, that would work.
Cool. All right, you guys.
So there's that one that would be there by the TV. Actually, is it coming there? Is there one on that side? No, that's where the heat comes out.
That's your furnace.
Yeah, and that one has the plugs underneath there. It's in the corner. This one, the cover's the same.
I wonder what the difference on this one is.
The bed's different.
How so?
I think the bed goes this way.
Oh, does it?
Yeah. I can kind of tell. from
Let's
here.
go
If it
see.
doesn't-
Because it looks the same as the last one we were just in. Oh, it's a bigger bathroom.
Yeah, you got 6'8" interior that as well.
No, the bed's the same way.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. You just have a little bit more room. More like, because there's more room there and you got extras here on this.
Oh, okay.
So it's this way here further, it's
So
out.
it's a longer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, it's all right, but we don't need a shower. Just a bathroom.
No offense, these campers are nice, but for the type of money that camper costs, I could buy a full trailer.
You're not wrong. Yeah. Definitely, when you're looking at those ones.
Oh, is this one got a slide out?
Yes.
Ah. Okay. And you definitely got plugs at the bed.
Yeah, no, I saw that.
Yep,
Is the bed the right way though?
it is.
Okay.
Yep. And you got plugs up there. Lot of counter space or drawer space. Wow, that's a big fridge. Wow, is that ever big?
Yeah, that is. Nice size.
How's the bathroom? See, you can still move around in this too. Oh, I don't know about that.
Yeah.
Wonder if someone's at the stove here cooking.
Well, you just have to step aside.
Yeah, that's kind of.
Well,
the other
when
one.
when you're in the bathroom or whatever, I don't think that you would be,
Oh, okay. Pantry.
Pantry.
You got a microwave up there.
Yeah.
I don't know, the one he told us about that would be suited for my truck. I kind of like that one better.
Yep.
This one's nice. It's got a lot of space, but I think it's a little bit too fancy.
Well, because of the pop-up, right?
Yeah.
It's got solar.
It has, or is equipped for? Nice.
Mm-hmm. I'm just not liking the color.
No.
Kind of.
Yeah. I do. Oh, here's an Arctic fox. Oh, this one's an Arctic fox as well. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, not quite as big of a bathroom as the other one had.
It's a nice little unit, though, isn't it? For
Yeah,
a
it's not
990,
bad.
it's not a bad little size at all.
So the Arctic foxes seem to have the connections at the bedroom,
They do.
but the Northern Lights don't. Interesting. Interesting.
Interesting.
And this one's got the same size fridge. I just don't like this door that comes out like that. I think that's kind of stupid. The one that we looked at with the sliding door, it actually went into the door itself, like in the wall, like beside it, and it wasn't in the way.
Yeah.
This one here is kind of interfering with whoever's cooking. Kind of weird. I don't know, just... I don't know.
Back up here.
And you got a little step for the bathroom.
Okay.
Got a big deep sink. It's got a nice splash on the wall here for the stove though, grease splash.
Yeah.
That's nice. Oh, and it's even got the vent on the top here for the when you're cooking. So when I'm cooking and I'm burning things there.
Yeah.
Bad joke.
Yeah. That's why you won't cook inside. You need to cook outside.
Damn straight, barbecue all year round. Hell with that.
Alright.
Go ahead.
Oh, right. I found it.
Thanks, babe. She said it was quality.
Oh, I know. I just realized that. Is it a fake door? Oh, okay. That was awfully tight.
Yep.
Wow. Okay. Small fridge. So it's got the overhead fan.
So, where do you store your clothes? Oh, there's some here and there.
There's not a lot of storage.
No. Well, if you took it,
Yeah,
right?
that really is just a wasted space.
It is.
Or you just store your clothes, you know, his and hers kind of thing on the bunk beds. Because that's what we used to do with that 26 foot.
Yeah.
We used that as storage.
Yeah. That's kind of crazy. There's not a whole lot of counter space,
No.
right? Like.
We're stuck.
Oh.
But then you open this one. Now you're stuck.
Yeah.
Wow, it's only 259. Ouch, that was quite the shock.
There's probably 4 pieces of paper. And outside of like an SSA or a dealer wrap,
Oh, so the kitchen's up here.
but like the recycled paper.
Or is it the bathroom? Wow.
I like this little deck.
Mm-hmm.
Solar system, how it operates, how you use it, how you change it over batteries, how you know.
Okay. Ooh, lots of storage. There's a slide out. Look at that. That's pretty cool.
Mm-hmm.
What a wasted space though.
Very much so.
Where's the toilet?
No way. Wow.
That's funny. I guess you could, this would be for washer dryer.
Oh, yeah, because there's the hookups.
So, yeah.
Ah, I didn't even think about that. Good catch.
No. So they're right now, it's in testing with the Gen Y to get that finalized so they can green light. We're the only ones in the industry running it. Us and Lux are the only 2 in the industry running a 27,000 GD. So they don't have approval for that Gen Y.
Oh, there's your air conditioning.
Yep.
Now on a Vendetta or this, you can put the gooseneck on. This is approved, the Vendetta is not, but
That's a
you'd be
huge
probably legit.
back.
Is it?
I need a ladder
Oh.
to climb back up there.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's a big fad, right? Because trucks are coming with a puck system, right? And they're already pretty following the goose. Why would you put it?
Plug-ins over there.
Oh, it's only one side. Interesting.
So your pre-trip inspection, how to troubleshoot, how to winterize. All your winterizing videos for Nautilus, all that are all on your, loaded on your TV. Cool.
Back one again.
You know,
Yeah.
as long as we've been
And it's
doing
right
this,
behind the TV.
I'm shocked no one's ever done it.
I do too.
I sat there, if we were,
Every unit has a
Yeah.
dirty, and it's a stick.
yeah, we were just one with my sales guys, and I was sitting around going,
That's kind of different.
That's a lot of work to develop it all, but you're going to develop a manual.
Oh,
anyway.
yeah. Yeah, I didn't even notice
I
that.
already developed the manual, but then I turned around and I was
Oh,
like,
and it's comfy
why am I gonna
too.
go print this big?
No,
I mean,
there's a
by
good
the time
sized
I printed it, It was
TV.
gonna be 90.
Yep.
It was
Watch
gonna
a good
be
movie on that.
98 pages. It was gonna be 98. Yeah, 98 pages, and I'm like,
Yeah.
that is such a waste of paper.
Absolutely.
Like, yeah, then you could take it out, put it in your computer, and you're
Yeah.
good to go.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Cool.
Super
So that
smart.
TV
Well,
or
and then you
table
also have a
expands.
test on here. So if you guys are doing training on this, there's a test as well for this.
Oh, yeah.
That's on there. So top features, it's I think 25 questions. So if you're going to do a training or your sales manager's walking through it,
Yeah.
you know, hey, let's do this quick test with all your salespeople, and then we'll keep that updated and stuff. So whenever you get a unit, as these get updated, these won't always be relevant to anything that you purchase online. So if we had a new component, we go to it on the GE and go to LG, and you'll have every variation of microwave we've ever run in the build. So
There's your
never
bar.
a question whether what appliances.
Here's your iced tea.
That's pretty cool.
Yep,
Here's your steak dinner.
that's right.
I'm shocked that.
Steak with prawns, you
Sit
mean?
down, take me to the desk, go run
Oh,
some
look, those are adjustable.
Mm-hmm.
Well, that was smart. Finally, something smart.
And those are as well.
And that one is too.
So
That's
it's not
smart.
wasted space.
Yeah.
I
That's
get,
fine.
1000%. So that's changing. So we're actually working
And
on
there's
it
your
now.
garbage.
AJ, like now we figured we could pocket
Oh,
it.
well, it's
So
probably
we're actually
garbage there
working on
as a
pocket
JBL.
door.
I don't think
We're
that
hopefully
comes
going
with
to pilot
I
it,
don't
but
know.
yeah, once that door came into it, we did the same thing at the Tampa Super Show.
Ah.
Well, and it's a couples coach, right? So if you're coming in, like, you're figuring that, you're always coming in together, so I was very happy when I walked into it to see it.
Interesting is right.
Brian said, Brian said if you need any training.
And that's literally a bathroom in there. That's wild. Looked like being in a corner though.
A lot of wasted space though.
Hmm?
It's a lot of wasted space.
Yes. Yep.
We'll go back to that afterwards. We'll go this way.
All good.
Yeah, that one is really nice. It's the one on that one. That's the front of it.
And this is the one that would work on my truck.
Yeah.
Oh, it's even got an awning on the side. I didn't notice that until just now.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Well, we'll see what we can do while planning Northern Light.
What are you guys doing?
Travelland. Okay, so is there going to be more campers down here, I wonder?
Let's get close to it. Not there. So we can either do the one with the
So you got a separate kitchen, you got a separate bathroom, you got a living room, and then you got your bedroom. Oh. What is this? Whoa.
Oh, it's a table. I think it pulled.
It's a desk.
It's a desk.
Interesting. It's your favorite color, though.
Yeah.
Everybody wants to hear what's going on. All right.
Something's going on out here if you want to find out. Oh, it's a wheel. Probably win something toward the purchase. Wow, this has got a lot of room in here. How is this set up? The other one's got a lot more room. Oh.
Nice shower. Separate beds though. That wouldn't be too bad.
Yes, it would.
I don't know if you would be able to stand up with me. Because I'm barely.
No, I wouldn't be able to.
Nope.
Nope.
But there's no oven.
Oh, true.
How can we make cookies?
Oh, what is this up here?
Microwave.
Oh. Okay. Too fancy. The point is to get it away from things for a while, not to rough it a little bit.
Yeah.
This is not roughing it. Pardon me. Oh, that's a fifth wheel.
For the record, we're at 14.
Oh, goodness.
It's compact.
And how?
This one reminds me of that couple from Hope.
Home Alone. Or Home, but Home Alone.
Yeah.
Yeah, same kind of idea. I know when I see those camper vans, that's what I think of every time I look at one.
Yeah.
It's got an oven in here. It's got a big bathroom.
I guess you could put like a camp stove here for your barbecue.
Yeah. The Blackstone.
Yeah.
Those are good for breakfast, lunches, and dinners.
Mm-hmm.
The Blackstones, they're really nice. Whew, I had to undo. I was a little bit too dressed up while I was prepared for that red barn, not out here. That's where I thought it was. Go. No, no worries.
We're gonna need 4 or 5 hours of your time. We do the orientation.
It's cute, but you gotta curl over each other.
Oh, really? Oh.
Well, it's actually kind of laid out pretty good by the looks of this.
Let's take a look. Oh, you got a. Okay, this is a fifth wheel?
Yeah.
Hmm. Ah. And it's got bunks. Hmm?
Because the bed comes down.
Oh, it's a
It comes
Murphy
right
bed.
down to here. What if there was a fire? Like, it kind of blocks
Yep.
the door. Like,
Wasn't really thought out well.
no. It's got it out on. Bathroom's nice. It's got a slide door, so
Mm-hmm.
which is good. It's got some counter space.
Yeah, it's not a lot.